Hello student, welcome to computer class. Today I am going to teach you chapter first, applications of computer. In this chapter we will learn about the applications of computer. First we will learn what is computer. What is computer? Computer is a wonderful machine, or computer is a electronic machine, and where the computers are used, it is used in different fields, and the computer made our life easier. So these are the applications where the computers are used. It is used in homes and schools, media and entertainment, offices, libraries and medicine, airline and railway reservation, banks, defense, designing and desktop publishing, shops and hotels, computer control, cameras, space technology and robots. So these are the applications where computers are used. Now we will learn about these applications in details. First is homes. How computers are used in homes. It is used in homes for playing games, listening to music, watching movies, watching movies, drawing pictures, writing letters, storing addresses and telephone numbers, and to keep track of monthly expenditures. So these are the things where the computers are used in homes. And a part of its computer also used as educational aids for gathering information of any subject, performing calculation and working online. So these are the things where computers are used in homes for various things. Next is school. Here we see that computers are used in school by the teachers. Why teachers use computer? Teachers use computer for preparing their lesson plans. They use computer to teach different subjects using by CDs, and also they use computer to make reports card. And here you can see the teacher is teaching to the student through this one is laptop, and this laptop is connected with the projector, and through it the teacher is teaching to the student. And a part of it, the student also use computer for preparing their projects and learning different subjects. Next point is media and entertainment. Earlier, creating cartoons for animation for cartoon films was difficult, as each picture had to be drawn by hand. And here we see that in earlier times it was very difficult to create cartoon film. A movie maker draw all the pictures by hand. For example, when we draw pictures or images, how much time it takes to draw one picture? It takes too much time to draw one picture. Now we can think that how it was difficult for movie maker to make cartoon film. And now today computer have made it really easy to make cartoon film. Now we can see that the computer have made it easy to make cartoon film, and movie maker can put sequence of picture easily on computer, and they can give animation and effect easily to the images. Special effects for battles, earthquake and fires can also be created by using the computer. These special effects are combined with real scenes and characters in the film. In this passage we see that battles, earthquakes and fires, these things are not real in movies, but it looks like these things are real. This is only effects. What is this? Is only effect which is used by the computer. Next point is offices. How computers are used in offices? It is used in offices. Computers are replacing bulky files or folders for storing and maintaining data. Computers are used to replacing bulky files or folder and maintaining data. Information can be easily saved and retrieved by using the computer. We can save all the information easily and we can retrieve by the using the computer. Important information can be communicated to colleague via email. Okay, we can communicate our important information to our colleague or friends via email. Email means electronic means. We can send our important message or information within a second from one place to another place. So what is a full form of email? E means electronic mail. So these are the things where the computers are used in offices.